Hello everyone. Now today's point of discussion is Ostwald's dilution law for weak base. Now consider 1 mole of weak base BOH. Now consider 1 mole of weak base BOH dissolved in V liter of water. So when 1 mole of weak base is dissolved in V liter of water, now dissociation is expected. So BOH, when dissolved in V liter of water, it undergo ionization producing B plus and OH minus ions. Now consider, now this is supposed to be number 1, equation number 1. Now we have considered weak base. So we know very well that weak electrolytes are dissociated in feeble manner. Thus, out of 1 mole of BOH, let alpha moles get dissociated, producing B plus and OH minus ions. So, at equilibrium, number of moles of B plus will be alpha, and OH minus that also alpha, as we are considering alpha as degree of dissociation, and out of 1 mole of weak base BOH, alpha moles get dissociated. Now point to be remembered is the moles which remained undissociated will be 1 minus alpha. Now moles per liter at equilibrium, moles per liter at equilibrium, I mean concentration. So concentration of BOH will be equal to 1 minus alpha upon V. Why? Because either B plus or OH minus and what BOH, undissociated BOH, all are present in V liter of water. Thus the concentration of BOH will be 1 minus alpha by V, and concentration of B plus will be alpha by V, and concentration of OH minus will also be alpha by V. Now if we will apply law of mass action to equation 1, so by applying law of mass action to equation 1, we get the dissociation constant of base. Thus dissociation constant of base, that is Kb, equals to concentration of B plus into concentration of OH minus upon concentration of BOH. Now if these values, now this is supposed to be equation 2. Now if these values, I mean concentration of BOH, concentration of B plus and concentration of OH minus, are substituted in this equation, then we get Kb is equal to alpha by V into alpha by V upon 1 minus alpha by V. Now further this can be given as Kb is equal to alpha square by V square upon 1 minus alpha by V. Now further this can be given as Kb is equal to alpha square upon 1 minus alpha into V. We have considered 1 mole of weak base dissolved in V liter of water. Thus 1 by V gives the concentration of solution. So one can write Kb is equal to alpha square C upon 1 minus alpha, as 1 upon V gives the concentration, 1 by V gives the concentration of solution. Now BOH is weak base, thus alpha is very small as compared to 1. Thus as alpha is very small as compared to 1, so 1 minus alpha is practically considered as 1. Thus Kb is equal to alpha square C, and hence alpha is equal to under root of Kb upon C. Thus one can say that degree of dissociation of weak base is inversely proportional to the square root of its concentration, and we all know very well that C is equal to 1 by V. Thus this can also be given as alpha is equal to under root of Kb into V, as C is equal to 1 by V. So one can say that the degree of dissociation of weak base is directly proportional to the square root of its dilution. Thank you very